Hello my friends, you're welcome to simplify this math problem, which is 6 root of 29 plus 7 over square root of 2 minus 1. So, in the first step, we start by rationalize this fraction. So, this is equals to 6 root of 29 plus, in here we have 7 over square root of 2 minus 1. And we multiply numerator and denominator by this conjugate pair. So this conjugate pair is square root of 2 plus 1, right? Also for this, we write square root of 2 plus 1. So we multiply numerator and denominator by this conjugate pair is square root of 2 plus 1. So this is equals to 6 root of 29 plus 7 times square root of 2 plus 1, and over in here this is in the form of a minus b times a plus b, right? And this is equals to a square minus b square. So in here this is equals to square root of 2 square minus 1 square, right? And it will be 6 root of 29 and plus 7 times square root of 2, it will be 7 square root of 70 square root of 2, and plus 70 times 1 is 70, right? And over in here it will be 2 minus 1, and it will be square root of 6 root of 29 plus, in here 2 minus 1 is 1, so it will be 70 square root of 2 plus 7. And in next step, it will be 6 root of 29 plus 70, it will be 99, and plus 70 square root of 2, right? And in next step, we write 6 root of, in here we can write 99 as 49 plus 50, right? And plus 70 square root of 2. And this is equals to 6 root of 49 plus 50, and plus, in here we can write 70 as, right in here, we can write 70 as 2 times 35. And this is equals to 2 times, we can write 35 as 7 times 5, right? So in here we write this 70 as 2 times 7 times 5 and square root of 2. So it will be 6 root of, in here we can write 49 as 7 to power of 2, right? Also in here we can write 50 as square root of 50 to power of 2, and plus, in here it will be 2 times 7, and here we can write 5 as square root of 25, right? And times square root of 2, so it will be 6 root of 7 to power of 2 plus square root of 50 to power of 2, and plus 2 times 7, and in here square root of 25 times square root of 2, it will be square root of 25 times 2, and it will be 50, right? So if you look at this carefully, this is in the form of a square plus b square and plus 2ab, right? Which is equals to a plus b to power of 2. So in here we can write this as a plus b to power of 2. So it will be a is 7, 7 plus b is square root of 50, and to power of 2, right? And here this is 6 root, right? So 6 root of 7 plus square root of 50 to power of 2. And in here we can write this as 7 plus square root of 50 to power of 2 and to power of, in here we can write the 6th root as to power of 1 over 6, right? And from exponential rule, if we have a to power of m to power of n, this is equals to a to power of m times n. So in here, this is equals to 7 plus square root of 50 to power of 2 times 1 over 6, and it will be 1 over 3, right? And this is equals to cube root of, we can write this power of 1 over 3 as cube root of 7 plus square root of 50, and we can write square root of 50 as 25 times 2, right? And it will be cube root of 7 plus square root of 25 is 5, so 5 square root of 2. And in next step, in here, we can write this 7 as cube root of, we can write this 7 as 4 plus 3, and plus, in here we can write this 5 square root of 2 as 3 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2, right? And in next step, we take these two parts together and these two parts together. So it will be cube root of, from these two parts, we have, we factor 2, from 4 and 2 square root of 2, we factor 2, and 4 divided by 2, it will be 2, and 2 square root of 2 divided by 2, it will be square root of 2, right? And from these two parts, we factor 3, so we factor 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 3 square root of 2 divided by 3, it will be square root of 2, right? So, in next step, this is equals to cube root of, in here, from these two parts, we factor square root of 2, right? It will be 2 times square root of 2, and 2 divided by square root of 2 in here, 2 divided by square root of 2, it will be, we can write 2 as square root of 2 times square root of 2 and divide by square root of 2. This will cancel this and it will be a square root of 2, right? So in here, 2 divided by square root of 2, it will be square root of 2, and plus square root of 2 divided by square root of 2, it will be 1, right? And plus 3 times 1 plus square root of 2, and we can write square root of 2 plus 1, right? So in next step, this is equals to cube root of, square root of 2 plus 1 is common, so we factor square root of 2 plus 1. And in here, it will be 2 square root of 2, 2 square root of 2, and plus 3, right? So in next step, we can write cube root of, in here we have square root of 2 plus 1, and times, in here we can write 3 as 2 plus 1, right? And plus 2 square root of 2, we can write this as 2 times square root of 2, and it will be cube root of square root of 2 plus 1 and times 2. We can write 2 as square root of 2 to power of 2, right? And plus, we can write 1 as 1 to power of 2, right? And in here, we can write 2 square root of 2 as 2 times square root of 2 and times 1, right? So, if you look at this part, this is in the form of a square plus b square and plus 2ab, right? Is equals to a plus b to power of 2. So in here, we can write cube root of square root of 2 plus 1, and here we can write a plus b to power of 2. So in here, a is square root of 2, and plus b is 1, right? b squared, b is 1, plus 1 to power of 2. So in here, this is equals to cube root of, this times this, we can write square root of 2 plus 1 to power of, this to power of 1, right? 1 plus 2 is 3. And here, this 3 will cancel this cube root, and it will be square root of 2 plus 1. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.